What is up everyone and welcome back to the channel. You guys are joining in back again with another episode of Diecast Maniac. And today also we have another Kyosho Ferrari fixing edition. And been fixing a lot of cars lately, and Kyosho has been helping out because I actually enjoy fixing up these cars, because whatever said and done, it's for my collection, and wish some other brands also has this, like at least once in a while release an edition like this where we can actually fit in our cars. True, there are issues with the details and stuff like that, but still it would be fun. And today we have the Ferrari 599XX. So with the two-tone color, as you can see, the Ferrari official red with the hood in grey. So this is also another fit-in car, and we have all the accessories we need with the fixing equipments. So we have the screwdriver, and we have two seats, the screw nails, and the rear and front wheels. So let's get into it and let's get this off and fix it. So let's get into it and let's cut this off, cut out the packet, and yeah, remove it. So we'll take each and every piece in, and so we have all the pieces in line, and two different tire sets like the previous model, and we have the rears and front in two different shapes. The rear is a bit bigger than the front, and let's start by fixing in the tires first. There you have it. So the front is done, and then let's get into the rear. And there you have it. The two tires are done, and comparing the sizes wise and the thickness wise, the tires are different. And now let's get into the car. So let's get it off on the stage, leave it aside, and there's a small clip underneath. Just remove it and take it out, and let's get the car. So we have the body, and we have the interior. So these also we can clip it out. Be very gentle when you are removing it, because this is plastic. Even though the outer body kit and everything is metal, the inside soles are plastic, so be careful when you're removing and all that, it might break. So let's fix in the seats first. So the seats goes in and it gets clipped inside, so we'll fix that out first. You just have to give in a bit of a hard push for it to properly fit in and fix with the interior, and it's actually fixed. So then let's move on to fixing the tires. So the front with the small tires, and back with the big tires, and then let's clip this in. And it's done. Check for the wheels if it's spinning, all in good condition, everything's good. And then let's fix in the body, and we got screw nails, we have the screwdriver. Let's fix in the car. And then the front. Okay, so everything's done and the car is in good condition. You guys can see car moves, and now it's time to fix it into the stage. So I told you guys to remove this part before, because when you remove this part only you can screw the car in, and there's a small clip, you just have to fix it and then properly in line to fix the screw. Just have to place this, and then be very careful when you're fixing it in. Make sure you properly fix it in a straight line, otherwise the car tend to go here and there, and you might even break the screw nails. So there you have it. It's fixed and done, and there you have it, the Ferrari 599XX. And as always, hope you guys like the video, like our video and subscribe to our channel. Hit the notification button to keep up with the latest news, and hope to see you guys on the next video very soon.